Yo, so just documenting my trades I did today. Journal entry for November 19th. Yeah, let's get started. So Billy had earnings yesterday after market, and it's supposed to be a main watch for me today to see if it continued momentum. But yeah, I forgot to set alerts, so I definitely missed this $9 ride. Definitely should set alerts and remember what my main watch is, what my trading plan was, so I don't miss out since I this was a planned trade, but totally forgot. Same with Foot Locker. FL has earnings tomorrow, and they ramped up the previous day. Again, this is something repeatable or a strategy I mentioned for earnings, and I didn't follow through, didn't stick with the plan, didn't stay locked in, so I missed those two easy plays. Tesla, I bought a call right before it closed yesterday, and I sold it at open. And in this choppy action, yeah, I should have held it. Knew like hey, that profit wasn't enough or wasn't interesting enough to me, and should have just held it here. Yeah, and then I ended up chasing a Tesla call near the end of the day, and I lost some money there. But yeah, um, yeah, Tesla drained a lot of mental energy, and yeah, maybe a good avoid since the chase level of those trades were pretty high. Yeah, so next one, Snow dip. That was an opportunity for me to pick up, and that would have been a good $14 ride. But yeah, I didn't stay locked in. Um, yeah, I should have set alerts there, so I can't miss it. Yeah, and if I kept my original swing, that would have been pretty good. Uh, CRSR continued to do well. Again, I kind of fumbled it yesterday, but yeah, I should have just stuck to the plan. It might even still continue, might go to 40. But yeah, still going well. Wished I sized in a lot more earlier, but yeah. Jamil was the main trade today. Again, picks him up like at this dip, I think. Yeah, this dip, or I don't remember what day it was anymore, but I think it was this day. But yeah, I picked some up at this dip. Should have caught a lot more size and shouldn't have over traded it. Yeah. But today I sized in here as well, but I sized in, had some calls. I sold it up here. But yeah, we were talking about like how it could go to like 24 or so by December, but I didn't stick to that plan. And if I just stuck to my plan instead of like over trading it or just being scared, I would have made some money right there. But yeah, another good day for Jumia, but could have been a lot more profitable, but I kind of messed it up a little bit. Work day. Yeah, they had some ramp up. I should have stuck to the plan and bought a call in the morning knowing there's earnings coming up, and that's pretty, I guess, safe bet, perhaps. Um, yeah, I knew they were gonna kill it, so I could have also scalped this because they beat the last earnings as well. Um, yeah, they beat their last earnings as well. So yeah. Um, Besides that, yeah, I played PLTR again. Um, there's some like action in the morning for shorts, but I'm glad I stood strong. I should have picked some up and stayed strong. Picked some up on dip, staying to my plan. But yeah, I got scared it was gonna fall a little bit more. But yeah, overall, still a good long. Yeah, I wish I sized in more when it was 10, and since at 10 I knew it was gonna keep going up, but I was scared of locking in that much buying power and just yeah, I should have just taken that trade earlier too. Besides that, Fossil continued to go wild. Um, yeah, so been swinging it for a while. Yeah, probably should continue holding it, but for some reason I'm not holding anymore. But yeah, good swing. I think this all came from yeah the earnings and positive momentum. Ear we were talking about ear yesterday, how we missed it, this ramp up. But yeah, good earnings coming up. I should have known this ramp's coming. I bought in and I participated in this ramp, but I didn't do it any meaningful size. I actually got out, I think here or here, so I'm pretty happy with that trade. But yeah, I should have sized in a lot more. Uh, but yeah, I mean, overall still pretty good. But yeah, those are our main trades. I wish I got into Billy. Um, BLNK was also pretty good today. I joined or some of this as well. Should have bought more calls on in the morning. Um, yeah, and solo is still doing really well. Um, yeah, pretty crazy. Continue the momentum. I should have known because that fit that earning strategy or positive momentum play. And I also had it like really far back at like maybe 180s, and I should have just held that because that's almost like what 5 times now, 500%. Yeah. So besides that, yeah, I think that was it. Cool. I think also NDM was also a good swing. I should have participated in that. Pretty sad I didn't do that one as well. But yeah, that's it for today.